Okay, team, we're going to explore Screencastomatic using Screencastify. So I already made my little extension button here for Screencastify, and so I'm using that to create my video about Screencastomatic, which is my go-to screencasting site. So for me, I've used this a lot of times before, so I've already logged in, but if it's your first time, you're going to have to create a login. Say it's for education, and then it's pretty easy from there. So I'm going to do start recording for free, and then I'm going to say launch recorder. Make sure it's in English if that's what you want. And then it's going to say, are you sure you want to do that? And you're going to say yes. It takes a minute. Yay, it says it's launched. Now, you can see this gray and white kind of dashed line. That's what's going to be recorded. So you can adjust that if you only want half of your screen or something like that. You can adjust that. And then you'll notice here this green bar. This means that it's picking up my voice. If the green bar is not working, then we have some problems. Now we have some other choices. You can do the screen, which is usually what I do. You could do the webcam, so if you want to do just your face and do a recording, or you could do a combination of both. So if you want to make it a little bit more personal, you could do, half of your screen and half of your face. Okay? And then all you have to do is press record. And it's going to do this lovely little countdown, and then you go. And if you mess up, all you do is you can press pause. So if you get kind of lost in there and you say you're going to find something, this happens to me all the time. I'm like, I'm going to go to the next step and I can't find the next thing. I'll just pause it, figure it out, and then kind of go back where I was and restart. That's totally fair. So you can pause it, and then this is what you'll get. And then if you just decide, well, I've just totally ruined that whole thing, you just trash it. Okay? And if you like it, you can press done, or you can turn on draw and zoom. I've never done this before, but look, here I'm drawing. So I can draw on my recording. If I want to circle something or do something there, I can do that while it's in pause mode. And then I can keep recording. Okay, and it's going to do a nice little countdown for me again with my lovely drawings in place. Here's my little drawing toolkit up here. I can change my pencil color, the thickness. I can erase all these great little fun widgets. I can make a box. Woo! So those are some of the tools you can use. And then when you're done, you just press pause. And then if you're sure you like it, you can play it, which I recommend you doing, especially for your first one. Another thing you might want to watch is make sure that there isn't anything blocking your speakers on your laptop while you're doing this. I've had that happen where I had my laptop in the docking station and just some other stuff on the laptop, and that really made the sound quality not great. So make sure there's no obstructions, and then when you're done, you say done, and then I usually say save and upload. I usually just keep, I'm not making long videos, so I'll just reshoot it if I mess up instead of trying to edit it. And then I say save as a file, and I change the name to whatever I want to make it. Okay, great. And then I say publish, and it takes a minute. Not very long because this is a really short video. And then once you have your video, the key is doing something with it. Just like with Screencastify, you have to move it to somewhere useful. Okay, so mine is set to go to it's here, but it's also going to my little video folder. So then, just like I did with Screencastify, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube, because I'm going to post it there. You could just take the file and embed it in an assignment on the portal, but a lot of times it's just nice to throw it out there on YouTube. So I press the little plus button, say create a video, select file. Here's my little thing. Oh, there it is, test 1. And then it's going to ask you